Hello everyone! Welcome to the Fuji Quick Booth Tour. My name is Iwama from the Sales Department.
Hello, I'm Watanabe from the Sales Engineering Department. And today, we will be your guides. We are currently at Tokyo Big Sur, the site of the 37th Internepcon Japan, which starts tomorrow. At the Fuji booth, final preparations are being made for tomorrow's event.
Yes, there is a kind of tension in the air. The theme of this exhibition is Fuji Smart Factory 2.0. The latest solutions that integrate automation technologies and systems to improve OEE are exhibited in 6 areas.
This booth tour will focus on our latest products. Let's begin the tour. This area has the next generation placement solutions. The latest pick and place machine, NXCR-S model, is exhibited here. NXCR is equipped with the best quality check function from the NXT series. The core of this function is checking the picked up part stance and checking the contact with the board during placement. These prevent placement deviations and defects. Now, these NXCR have completely different specifications. To the right is the 1R module, which has 1 extra robot. It is possible to support large panels up to 750 mm in length in this module, like this. On the right is a 2R module, which has 2 separate X-ray robots. It is possible to perform production on 2 such medium-sized panels at the same time in this module, like this. A demonstration video showing NXTR module concept is available on the special exhibition feature website. Please check it out if you have time. Okay, next is the Automation Solutions area.
This is the Automation Solutions area. The NXTR model and the NXTR premium screen printer are exhibited here. We propose to reduce changeover time and labor with the smart loader, which automatically changes feeders, and premium smart changer, which automatically changes screen masks and backup blocks. Next to this area is the Offline Changeover Solutions area. This is the Offline Changeover Solutions area. Units that support the offline changeover process from collecting parts, taking out usable feeders, and setting parts are exhibited so that anyone can perform the process in a short time and without hesitation. Okay, let's move across the way. This is the Fuji Smart Factory corner. As you can see in this poster, we have introduced effective solutions for each process and the floor as a whole. And in the System Solutions area, our integrated production system, Nexium, which is the key system for Fuji Smart Factory, is introduced. We hope that you will check it out. Next is the Large Part Placement Solutions area.
This is a Large Part Placement Solutions area. The screen printer GPX-C2 and the all-in-one pick and place machine MX3C are exhibited here. Here, take a look at this. We are displaying custom nozzles we have made in sample parts. This part weighs approximately 250 grams. It weighs about the same as a small tablet device. It's very heavy. And this is the custom nozzle for this part. It seems to be able to securely pick up this part. And these are very thin parts. This part has a lot of bumps on the surface. But don't worry, we can offer you a good nozzle for this kind of parts, like this.
Now finally, we come to its end. This area has the automation solutions for insertion processes. Two types of automatic insertion machines are exhibited here. Here is the SWA, an insertion machine that has two types of cameras and automates insertion of parts supplied from all types of packaging. SWA is also being exhibited at the concurrent exhibition, Robotex. And here is the S5D, a high-speed, high-accuracy insertion machine. We are exhibiting the S5D with a parts supply unit that can supply up to 5 different types of loose supplied parts and a unit that automatically straightens ventures. And over here, we have a display stand where S5D compatible parts can be seen at a glance. You can use this to check if the parts used in your company can be automated.
Thank you very much, Iwama-san. Well, how was it? Are there any products you are interested in?
At the Fuji booth at Internepcon Japan, which opens tomorrow, there are many more products and functions we haven't been able to show you here. If you are planning on visiting the exhibition, please stop by the Fuji booth. Thank you very much for watching the Fuji Quick Booth Tour. We are looking forward to seeing you at the exhibition. Bye!
See you tomorrow.
Fuji, innovative spirit.